You may have heard this before, but the recording of data, it doesn't sound initially like something very special or something very unique. I mean, isn't this something that you can do with a PC or some standard software? What are your thoughts on this?
You're right. Basically, a PC can record data, of course, though there are three quite significant challenges with it. First is the environmental conditions and endurance requirements. The recording system is installed in vehicles which run in many regions of the world, besides all over the US and Europe, also in very Nordic zones with lots of ice and snow, and in real hot areas like Middle America or Africa. And as you can imagine, the temperature range and mechanical robustness the system needs to support are well beyond standard IT equipment. Second, the amount and variety of interfaces you want to record the data from. The algorithms of ADAS and AD systems make use of sensor fusion from many and very different components you see in today's cars. The logging solution must be capable of connecting several automotive interfaces, including Ethernet, CAN, or supplier proprietary high-speed interfaces used for cameras, like GMSL, FPD-Link, or the new ASA Motion Link. To address this, flexibility in selecting various interface types is a big advantage. That requires powerful and largely configurable software to process and reformat the data streams. Third, the speed and amount of data, very obvious. We see cars having more and more sensors with increasing resolution. This sums up to constantly increasing data rates to be recorded reliably. And with higher data rates comes the need for high storage capacity. To provide sustaining and continuous recording of large amounts of data, that speed requires not only a smart hardware and software architecture of the system, but also carefully selected components and a well-defined test strategy. WIGIM has developed technologies addressing all these challenges. For the OEMs and suppliers, the test drives are truly expensive in terms of effort and money, which makes the data collected really costly. Our customers expect their test drivers to use their 8-hour shifts for driving and collecting valuable data rather than struggling with issues caused by some logging equipment installed in the trunk. Stability and reliability are key.